Hello friends, after a long time I am coming up with a video on calligraphy as I am very much interested in calligraphy. For the purpose of this video, I am segregating the video in a number of parts. First I will discuss about pen. Since for calligraphy pen is very much important. Since without a good pen you cannot do proper calligraphy. First I'll discuss about pen, then I'll talk about alphabets. You need a set of alphabet. You need a set of alphabet that every time when you will be writing it should be same. Then next I'll be talking about strokes. Not I'll be talking about, I'll show you the strokes. That is an integral part of calligraphy. Lastly, I'll discuss about a few samples. The whole video will be in these parts. As you can see, why I have chosen the first point is pen. Since pen is very much important, as you can see there is a noticeable difference in the pen. As you can see the nib is a bit there's a cut. This is the calligraphy set that I bought around 2 years back. This particular set comes from Parker. This is from a reputed brand, so you don't have to worry about, you can buy. So this set came with 3 type of nibs. As per your choice you can pick up any one of these as per your need. Now for the purpose of this video I am using this medium one. You know why this calligraphy pen are important for calligraphy. If you use a normal pen, say I am writing here calligraphy with a normal pen, the word you can see it will be like this only. When you will be writing with a normal pen, it will be like this. If you use a calligraphy pen, there will be a noticeable difference. As you can see C A double L I Z R A P H Y. You put these dots, it will make your writing even more beautiful. So this is the difference. These strokes are a bit hard at the start of your stroke, and at the end, in the middle, you can see at the initial start it's a bit thicker, and this is a bit thin, and at the end again it's become a bit thicker. So it gives it becomes more beautiful. Then you need alphabet. Secondly, you have to consider alphabets, since every time when you will be writing, your alphabet should be same. There are many type of alphabets. You pick up your alphabet set. Like I have one set of alphabet that I choose around years back, and still I am sticking to this alphabet set only. There are so many alphabets you can find on internet, but the thing is that every time you need to consider the same alphabet set. H, I, then J, K, L, M. I used to put this, but you can eliminate this also if you don't like. I used to put it, but not always. In your official letter, etc., if you are writing some kind of official invitation, then you don't put this things a bit hazy, so it's maybe a bit difficult for someone to read when it is necessary. And for wedding invitation and all, you can put this thing. P, then Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. At the initial, Z is not like that. It was like this. I forgot. After a long time, I have been writing this. Luckily, yesterday I found this set. Actually, I lost it, so that's why. Luckily, I found it, and then after finding this, I have started writing it again. So this is the uppercase, and for the lower case, for small letters will be like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, then Z. These are the small letters. So next I'm going to discuss about strokes. As you can see, there are some strokes which will go upward, there are some strokes which will go downward, and for this you have to rigorously practice this. Like this. These are going upward. See, this is important when you are writing A. Like in case of A, you need this upward stroke, and there should not be any kind of break. As you can see, there's no break. This should be smooth, and this should be thicker at the initial start and at the end. So you have to maintain the pressure also. Now this is the medium one. If you want to see a noticeable difference, then you can use the wider one. This a bit wider. You can use this nib also. And actually I like this. It doesn't make more thicker. Sometimes you can use it for regular writing also. It doesn't give that kind of calligraphy effect. So in your regular writing you can use Now downstrokes, you have to practice this downstrokes also. Like it's needed when you are writing P, like in this here it's needed, so you have to practice this one. And in case of, and this one also, this one also, like if you are writing T, in case of T it's needed. Like you can see, I have used this one in U also, in V also. So you start practicing this should be a bit tiled. this way. This is not that tough. The thing is, practice makes even perfect. So my handwriting is also a, a bit different than previously, since I am doing after a long time. Luckily I found it yesterday. Now let's go for some samples. For sample writing, you can consider one sentence. In that sentence you will find all the alphabets. Like in case of typing practice, you use that sentence: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And there's another sentence: the 5 boxing wizards jumps quickly. This sentence is not that much popular, so I am writing this: the 5 boxing wizards jumps quickly. The 5. At the initial start you have to be very cautious and be slow. Go slow. The 5 boxing wizards jumps quickly. The 5 boxing wizards jumps sorry jumps quickly. There's another sentence, the popular one: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Just remember one thing, if you have noticed, I have used these dots. You put these dots, don't make it extra big, it will give you extra calligraphy effect. I used to call this. You can use these dots also. The another sentence: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A quick brown fox jumps. This should not be like this, it's become straight. Since I am writing for a long time, this should be a bit like this. Like this. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This way you put these dots. Then let's write some names, like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. He is not Mr. Probably now he is conferred with some title, Padma Shri or Padma Vibhushan. I forgot. I have seen somewhere that President Ramnath Kovind was felicitating him. Anyway, for this purpose of this video, I am writing Mr. only. Mr. Amitabh, probably it's BH, Amitabh Bachchan, B A C H A N. It's become a bit small. This will be even more beautiful if you make it like this. See, this is more beautiful. So these are the minute observations. Gradually you will be developing this. Once you start writing this, you will be developing your skill. So this is a small video on calligraphy, friends. If you like this video, you do like, share and subscribe. It will encourage me to come up with some other videos. So friends, regarding this alphabet set, there are so many alphabet sets available on internet. You can pick up any of the alphabet set, but the thing is that you have to stick with only one alphabet set and you start developing this. Don't jump into number of alphabets. So when you will be choosing your alphabet set, you have to be very much cautious, since once you develop your writing in a particular alphabet set and you are changing, then it will be again difficult. So every time this should be spontaneous. When you will be writing any kind of word or something in the middle of sentence, you should not be run out of your mind. You should not be recalling what was the letter that you have to use in your writing. So in case of lowercase letters also, you have to choose any of the alphabet set and you have to stick with that only. So friends, I will not make this video extra long. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. It will encourage me to come up with some other fruitful content. So thanks a lot, friends. Thanks for watching.